If you use Lucidspark for brainstorming, planning, or mapping out ideas, one handy feature you'll want to know is how to add a link to an object. This is a great way to connect a shape, image, or frame to a website, document resource, or another helpful page. It makes your boards more interactive and keeps important information just one click away. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, and I'll also share a few quick tips to make the process easier. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Lucidspark board and click the object you want to link. This can be a shape, an image, or a frame depending on what you're working with. Once you select the object, look for the toolbar that appears around it. In that toolbar, you'll see a link icon. Click that link option to start adding your URL. Now a field will appear where you can enter or paste the web address you want to connect. Make sure the link is correct before continuing, because this is what people will open when they click the object later. After pasting the URL, click Apply to save it. And that's really all there is to it. Your object now has a live link attached to it inside Lucidspark. To test it, click the linked object again. Depending on how Lucidspark handles the selection, you may need to click the link itself or choose the link option that appears to open it. This is a great way to make your workspace more useful, especially if you're sharing research links, project documents, training materials, or reference pages with your team. You can also use linked objects to organize ideas better during meetings and collaboration sessions. If you're building a board for a presentation or workflow, adding links to objects can save time and make navigation much smoother. A few quick tips. Keep your links short and relevant, double-check that each URL opens correctly, and use clear labels on your objects so teammates know what they're clicking. If you're linking multiple items, try to keep your board organized so it stays easy to follow. And if you want more Lucidspark tutorials, make sure you subscribe, because I've got more step-by-step videos coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.